A very good afternoon, dear student. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Yes, I am also fine. Thank you so much. Today we will learn a new concept. Okay? So everyone, please ready? First we will do prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Okay? Say loudly and repeat after me. Astoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. Today we will learn a new concept. Use of a and an. Okay? A or an. First, I will introduce where we use a or an. A and an. This is article. It is called articles. Okay. A और an. हमें a और an का यूज कहाँ करना है? When we use a and an. Okay. There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. These are the vowels. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. Which one? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. Which one? A, E, I, O, U. ये सब आपके क्या है? Vowels है. Okay? Now, when we use a, if the naming word start with the consonants. When naming word start with the consonants. Okay, like this. This one is consonants. This one is consonant. This is vowel sound. This one is vowel sound. No. B-E-D, bed. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. Okay. First see the letter. First letter. This one is consonant. This one is consonant. This is vowel sound. No. ये vowel sound है क्या? स्पेलिंग की स्टार्टिंग A, E, I, O, U से होती है? नहीं. स्पेलिंग की स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से हो रही है? B से. B vowel sound है. This is vowel sound. No. This is vowel sound. No. This one is vowel sound. No. And this one is no. ये क्या है? ये vowel sound है? नहीं. ये क्या है? Consonant. What is this? This is consonants. Okay? When we use a, the naming word which is start from consonants. The naming word which is start from consonants. जो word होता है, जो spelling होती है, वो consonant से start होती है, तब हम a का use करते हैं. Article a का use हम लोग करते हैं. Okay? कब? जब spelling की शुरुआत consonant से होती है. ओके? वावेल साउंड से नहीं होती है. जब वावेल साउंड से स्पेलिंग की शुरुआत नहीं होती है. ओके? ये सारे क्या हैं आपके? वावेल्स हैं. ये सारे क्या हैं आपके? वावेल्स हैं. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज वावेल्स. These are vowels. Okay? When we use a, the naming word which is start from consonant. The naming word which is start from consonant. That time we are using a. तब हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? A. जैसे कि see the example. A bed. A cat. A dog. This is the आर्टिकल। जब स्पेलिंग की शुरुआत कॉन्सोनेंट से होती है, मतलब वावेल साउंड से नहीं होती है, तब हम ए का यूज करते हैं। ओके, समझ में आया आपको? यू अंडरस्टूड? व्हेन द नेमिंग वर्ड स्टार्ट with the beginning letter is consonant, that time we are using A. Okay, A is used before the naming word starting with consonants. Okay, ये क्या है? इसकी definition है। definition क्या है? what is the definition of A? A is used before the naming word starting with consonants. कॉन्सोनेंट्स अगर स्टार्टिंग नेमिंग वर्ड्स की स्टार्टिंग अगर कॉन्सोनेंट से होती है तो उसमें क्या लगता है? ए। ओके, ये समझ में आया आपको? नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड? गुड। नाउ व्हेन वी यूज एंड, व्हेन वी यूज एंड, नाउ सी दिस ए एंड एंड हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? व्हेन वी यूज एंड, see the board everyone, I'm talking now, just look at the board. Now see this. When we use and, the naming word which is start from vowel, the naming word which is start from vowel, that time we are using and. Okay, that time we are using and. जब नेमिंग वर्ड्स कोई भी वर्ड दिया हुआ है उस वर्ड की स्टार्टिंग वावेल साउंड से होती है, तब हम एन का यूज करते हैं। एन मतलब सिर्फ एन नहीं, ए एन एन, ए एन एन, ए एन एन, सी ए एन एन, ए एन एन। नेमिंग वर्ड विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम vowel sound. See, and is used before the naming word starting with vowels. Okay, naming word which is starting with the vowels. Okay, A क्या है? vowel है। E क्या है? vowel है। O क्या है? vowel है। Okay, फर्स्ट लेटर आपको देखना है। अगर किसी भी स्पेलिंग की शुरुआत वावेल साउंड से होती है तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? एन। तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? एन। ओके, किसी भी स्पेलिंग वर्ड की शुरुआत, वर्ड मतलब क्या? शब्द। किसी भी शब्द की शुरुआत, किसी भी स्पेलिंग की शुरुआत अगर वावेल साउंड से होती है तो हमें उसके साथ एन यूज करना है। एन कब यूज होगा? जब वावेल साउंड से किसी स्पेलिंग की शुरुआत होती है। ओके, वावेल कौन कौन से हैं? सी द बोर्ड, देयर आर 5 vowels. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. You know very well how many vowels? There are 5 vowels. Which one? A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. Okay, which is start from the naming word which is start from A, E, I, O, U. Then you used and. That time you are using and. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Now you understood? Today's our concept is A and. Okay, using A and. Use of A and. Okay, the naming word which is started from the vowel, which is start from vowel, which is start here, which is start with the vowel. Okay, which is start with the vowel, that time we are using and. जब स्पेलिंग की शुरुआत, जब वर्ड की शुरुआत अगर किसी वावेल साउंड से होती है तो हम लोग वहां पर एन यूज करते हैं। ओके, अब इसका डेफिनेशन देखेंगे। सीधा डेफिनेशन, एन इज यूज्ड before the naming word starting with vowels. Okay, and is used before the naming word starting with the vowels. Okay, see the word, this is starting with the vowel. Yes, so here we use an, and because this first letter is vowel. This first letter is vowel. The naming word which start with the vowel. That is why we are using an. That is why we are using an. Okay. Now you understood? Good. See the spelling. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. So here, see the first letter of the spelling. This is consonant. No, this is vowel. See the vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So first letter is E. E is vowel. E is vowel. Our first letter is E. E is vowel. Okay. So here E is vowel. That is why we are using an. We are using an. यहाँ पर E से स्पेलिंग स्टार्ट हुई है। E क्या है हमारा? वावेल है, इसलिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे? an. ओके, नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड? गुड। नेक्स्ट, E-double-G-A. E-double-G-A. This is the naming word which start with the vowel. Okay, naming word starting with vowel. Okay, so what we used here? A and an. Here we used an. Here we use an because of first letter of the spelling is vowel. The naming word first letter is vowel. That is why we are using an. Okay, now go to the next spelling. See the word O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Okay, this is O. You have to recognize here. You have to recognize here. First letter is consonant or vowel. First letter is consonant or vowel. Okay, this is your responsibility. Okay, you have to check this. You have to recognize here. First letter is vowel or consonant. Okay, if you are confused, so you please ask to your mother. She will give you. Okay, she will give you help. Okay, O-W-L, owl. Okay, first letter is vowel. First letter is vowel. See the vowel? A-E-I-O-U. These are vowels. Okay, O is vowel. So we are using an. So we are using here A-N, an. A-N, an. Ant, an eagle, an egg, and owl. Okay, now you understood when we used A and an, when we used A and an, when we used A and an. Do you know when we used A and an? Okay. Now again I have revised here. There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. Which one is this? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. Which one? A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels? 5 vowels. Good. Okay. When we use a, what is the definition of using a? See, a is used before the naming word starting with consonants. Okay. When we use a is used before the naming word starting with the consonants. Okay. जब किसी स्पेलिंग की किसी वर्ड की शुरुआत कॉन्सोनेंट से होती है तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? ए. ओके. When we use an is used before the naming words starting with the vowels. ओके. जब किसी स्पेलिंग की शुरुआत vowels से होती है तब हमें an यूज करना है. इट इज कॉल्ड आर्टिकल. ओके. A and an. Okay. Now I will give you example. See the example of use of a and an. If you have problem, you just ask me. Okay. If you don't understand, you ask me. Kite, rat, bat, apple, bag, cat, umbrella, elephant. Okay. Now, see these words. See these words. First, we will see this word. Which word is this? K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Now, please everyone listen carefully. No need to write teamwork. No need to write now. Just look here. I will explain this. Look here. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. See the word of kite. Kite, K-I-T, kite. Okay. Now, K is vowel. Tell me, you have to recognize here. K is vowel. No. K is consonant. K is consonant. So, we are using here A and N. What we use here? A or N? A and N. Because of consonant, we are using A. यहाँ पर K दिया है. K क्या है? Consonant है. K vowel sound नहीं है. K vowel नहीं है. इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पर क्या यूज करेंगे? A. ओके. A. A kite. A kite. Next. R-A-T rat. Next word. What is the next word? R-A-T rat. Okay. See. R is vowel? No. R is vowel? No. R is consonant. R is consonant. Okay. See. R is vowel? No. See the vowel? Okay. See, R is vowel? No. So, what we used here? A. What we used here? A. Because R is consonant. R is vowel? No. R is consonant. Okay. So, that is why we are using here A. And next word, B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Now tell me B. B is what? B is vowel? or B is consonant? B is consonant. See, A, E, I, O, U. Here B is here? No. These are vowel. So B is consonant. So here we are using A. Next. A-double-P-L-E, apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. Here. This is the word. And the naming word which is start with the vowel. A. A is vowel? Yes. A is vowel. A is vowel. So what we used here? We are using here and. We are using here and apple and apple and apple. Okay. Now next. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Now see the first letter. First letter is consonant or vowel? B is vowel? No. B is consonant. So here we use A. Here we use A. Okay. Now next. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Now tell me. This one is, which is the first letter? C. Now tell me, C is vowel or C is consonant? Tell me, C is consonant because see the vowel A, E, I, O, U. Only 5 vowels. There are only 5 vowels. So C is consonant. So here we use A. A cat. A cat. Okay. Now go to the next. See the spelling of umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. These words which start with vowel. Which start with the vowel. U is vowel. Yes. U is vowel. So here we use and because of U is vowel. That is why we are using and here. Okay. Now next. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now here E. See the naming word which start with the E. Which start with the vowel. So here what we used? A or an? Here we use an because of E. Because of E. Okay. E is vowel. E is vowel. Okay. Done? Now you understood? If you have any type of problem, you just ask me. Okay. Again I will revise here. A is used before the naming word start with the consonant. A is used before the naming word starting with consonant. Okay. कोई भी वर्ड की शुरुआत अगर कॉन्सोनेंट से होती है तब हम लोग ए का यूज करते हैं. ओके. एंड इज यूज्ड बिफोर द नेमिंग वर्ड्स स्टार्टिंग विथ वावेल्स. ओके. एंड हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? जब नेमिंग वर्ड की शुरुआत वावेल से होती है तब हम लोग एंड का यूज करते हैं. ओके. समझ में आया आपको? आपको ये रीड करना है. यू हैव टू रीड दिस पेज. ओके. दिस इज योर इंग्लिश प्राइमर बुक, पेज नंबर 22. Done? Now you understood? If you have any problem, just ask me. Use of a and an. Okay. Now we will meet our next lecture in the next lecture. Okay. Now bye bye. Please stay home, stay safe. Bye.